Hello and namaste. Trying to meet your deadlines last night, did you get adequate sleep? If you didn't, I'm going to be taking you through a few asanas that are going to give you that energy boost. It is no secret that yoga is a holistic science. One of the many benefits of yoga is that it boosts your energy levels. Today I'm going to be showing you a few asanas: Shirshasana, which is your headstand, Salabhasana, your locust pose, and Catur Svanasana, your dolphin pose, that are going to help you promote your energy. Let's get into our first asana, which is your Shirshasana. Some of the many benefits of this asana are that it relieves stress. Now, I know some of you may be new to yoga, in which case I do not advise you to try headstand right away, and when you do, I highly encourage that you use a wall as a support next to you. Today I'm going to be showing you Shirshasana without the wall. To come into your headstand, you're going to first sit in your Vajrasana, bring your palms together. From your Vajrasana, you're just going to lower your elbows down on the mat, interlocking your fingers. You're kind of making a cup with your palms. You're going to place your head into that cup, straighten your legs, and very gently begin to walk your feet towards your face, raising one leg up with core control and then the other. Slowly trying to straighten both the legs up towards the ceiling, and this is your headstand. You can stay in this posture for about 1 to 2 minutes, practicing it once or twice. This posture helps you to maintain balance. You're slowly going to bring your knees down and come back to your Vajrasana. You should already be feeling that flow of blood straight to your head. Our next asana for today, for boosting your energy, is Salabhasana. This asana stretches the back and the core muscles, improving your spinal mobility. It opens up your chest, which improves your posture and prevents slouching. You will also be able to breathe better, which can help you energize. Salabhasana is an excellent asana to also promote digestion, since you're lying down on your belly. For this asana, you're going to come and lie down. This is an excellent back bend. You're going to place your palms next to you on the long side of your body, feet about hip-width distance apart or just a little more. From here, you're going to inhale. Your forehead, your chest, your legs, everything squeezes and lifts off the mat. Hold your breath for about 10 seconds. You may choose to hold for less than 10 or more depending on the capacity of your lungs. Very gently, we're going to lower down, forehead and legs touch the mat completely. Make a pillow with your arms and relax. Since you've taken a back bend, you may just want to take your child's pose for the next few moments, a counter pose, to make sure that you feel okay in your back after coming out of this locust pose. Coming to our third and final posture for today, to boost your energy and also challenge your strength, you can come join me in Catur Svanasana, which is your dolphin pose. It holds multiple benefits like strengthening and stretching your shoulders and your arms, and at the same time giving length to your hamstrings. The purpose of this exercise is to improve awareness of the core as well. Just like you would do in your downward facing dog, you're going to come and meet me in a tabletop position. From here, you're just going to walk your toes slightly closer towards you. Once again, since your head is below your heart, the blood rushes straight to the brain. This is an excellent posture for boosting your energy. Let me know in the comments below if you tried them and how you feel after trying these postures, not just in your body, but also in your mind. Namaste and goodbye until then. I'll see you next time.